We're in the backyard, yeah.
I just love his backyard.
That is awesome. It's a wonderland.
Is that a climbing wall?
Yeah.
Cool, I think he's going for a ride. Hey, we've got Ezel and Sofia in the backyard today. Let's see what they're up to.
Yeah.
I said I am a winner, chicken dinner. And maybe I am, maybe I'm not. Are you guys a winner, chicken dinner? Comment down below. I'm recently not. So, okay, let's get out of here. This is not a real car. I don't have my driving license yet.
Both of them strawberry?
One of them strawberry, one of the plate ones banana, please.
Okay. Why is he sad, Mo?
I don't know.
Can I have a banana, please?
Don't be sad, Ezel.
He's getting the ice cream.
Ooh, I like ice cream.
Here we go.
I wonder what flavor she has.
Those are a lot of great flavors there.
My favorite flavor is banana, butterscotch, ripple.
Honey.
That's not a real flavor, silly.
Still tastes good.
Sign in. Wait.
It's very sunny out there. I hope the ice cream doesn't melt.
You gotta eat it very quickly. Eat it quick, 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 quick.
Yeah, Ezel. Eat it quick, quick, quick.
Easy paying right now with the credit card.
Oh.
It better not get declined.
Yeah, better not.
Ezel looks like he's very responsible. I mean, he could afford that car after all.
Oh,
He better tip Sofia. Sofia gives great customer service.
and he's off.
And now he's off to the next store.
What's going on here?
I don't know. I think they had a little accident. Oh, Ezel.
They're having so much fun.
I wonder if Sofia's gonna get any more customers today.
I hope so.
I hope she saves us some ice cream.
Yeah.
Sure would like some today. It's pretty hot. Yeah, Ezel, eat it before it melts. Uh-oh.
And Sophie's cleaning.
Sophia's cleaning the shop. Oh, he's going back for more ice cream.
A repeat customer. Yeah.
That's my favorite kind of customer. I hope Sofia still has enough ice cream.
Hope it's not too hot outside. Maybe everything melted.
Get a sugar cone! Get a sugar cone! Get a sugar cone!
You gotta get a sugar cone.
Eat all of the ice cream.
That's the plan.
There won't be any left for you or me, Mo.
He wouldn't do that, would he?
I don't know. Ezel likes his ice cream.
He's even getting seconds.
He's getting seconds. I hope Sofia has enough inventory. Ezel loves his ice cream. He just can't get enough.
Oh no.
Ezel, you have to pay.
That's against the law.
Yeah. And Sofia has to run a successful business.
That's some expensive ice cream. 25,000.
That is very expensive for ice cream. But if it's that good, I hope Sofia gets more customers. She keeps her store very clean and her ice cream's very good. That's a lot. And did he eat his lunch before he had all this ice cream? I wonder.
I hope so. I really hope so.
Oh, there's no more banana ice cream.
Oh, what is he gonna do now?
She only has banana.
Oh, great.
Mo, what's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like chocolate chip.
Mo, you're silly.
Oh, what's going on here?
I think we have a disgruntled customer.
Uh-oh.
Or a disgruntled merchant. Can't really tell.
It's not good for business. It's definitely not good for business.
No, it's not. But it's very hot outside and ice cream's the only thing you can eat today.
Come on,
Oh no!
Can't we just get along?
Why can't we just get along? Oh, that's not bad. It looks like the price of the ice cream went down.
It's the economy, you know? It's the economy.
The economy.
It's a free market economy, you know? Ups and downs, that kind of stuff.
Yeah. I wonder what flavor she has.
There's a lot of great flavors there.
Oh, it looks like Ezel is working at the ice cream shop now.
There you go.
Well, that's nice.
No, it is. No, it is.
It makes only good business sense to help out and to grow the business.
Who would use 50 cents for their credit card? I would use.
He can work for his ice cream and eat all the ice cream he wants. Sofia's gonna have a lot of mess to clean up when she closes today.
Yep, they gotta clean up.
Ice cream and shop is open. I didn't even. Yeah. Well, that means it will be locked right now.
Definitely.
I love ice cream.
Oh no, violence never good.
No, it's never good. But ice cream makes everything better.
Definitely.
Looks like they're getting along now.
Yeah.
Now I don't know what's happening.
Is that a tantrum?
I think he's throwing a tantrum. And there's Sofia again. Ever the responsible shopkeeper. She's cleaning up.
We're in the video. I got a swimmer. I got a swimmer. I got a swimmer. I played. I'm going to
Yeah, they should really clean up. It's a very messy looking ice cream shop.
Oh no! We'll end the video right now. We'll end the video right now. If you like this video, smash that like button, hit that bell notification so you never ever miss a video. And hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Bye. Boom. Okay, if you like this video, smash that like button, hit that bell notification so you never ever miss a video. And hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.